Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document with these dimensions. First, go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose the image, and click on Place. The link to this image is mentioned in the video description. Adjust its size and position. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Select the Rectangle Marquee tool. Hold the Shift key, and draw a rectangle to add it to the selection. Add a layer mask to it. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Change its color to white. Drag it down to the image layer. Select the image layer, then add a black and white adjustment layer. Follow my settings. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Follow my text settings. I have these social media icons. Drag and place them in the design. Right-click on its layer and open the blending options. Go to the underlying layer, hold the Alt key, click on the point, and drag. Follow me here. Finally, place the texture background. And change its blend mode to darken color. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.